Can we recover permanently deleted Facebook messages in 2025? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be answering a big question. Can we recover permanently deleted Facebook messages in 2025? So let's find out. So here to tell you upfront, the short answer is no. So here once a Facebook messages is permanently deleted, it's gone from the Facebook servers and you cannot get it back. And with that, to the next question is can we recover archived messages instead? Yes. If you only archived a chat, you can still find it. To do that, just go to the messenger and now here just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on archive and now here you will find all the chat that you have archived before. And here if you want to recover that particular chat, you can simply recover it by unarchiving the chat. And with that, moving forward to the final question is can we use Facebook downloads to download our information? The answer is yes or no. So here, if you had requested a backup before deleting, you can still see old messages in that file. But if you already have deleted them without backing up, then they won't be there for you to recover it. And that's it. So that's the truth about can we recover permanently deleted Facebook messages. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.